Welcome to Homestay 99. This unit is located in Bistari Condo, 22 floor, 03 unit. So we do have placing the grill over here for double safety and the main door. So the first thing is Shura. So actually this unit, in every room you can view the KLCC. So aircon and fan is ready. So sofa, dining set, living hall. Yeah, we do have installed the smart TV, so you can directly go to the YouTube using the wireless keyboard. See, directly go to YouTube. So our Wi-Fi is 100 MB download and upload. So full utensil and equipment in the kitchen. The fridge is here, and we do have behind the washing machine too. So the whole house with ceiling fan or wall fan and the aircon. Total aircon have 6 unit, 5 bedroom, 3 toilet. So for the 5th room, we do have 1 single and 1 super single pull out mattress. So this room can occupy for 3 person and nice KLCC view. Some more we have KL Tower. Very KLCC photo here. So we're going to the corridor. We go to number 4th room, attached with the bathroom. So here can pull out bed, so we can total sleep 2 person in this bed. So the bathroom is here. So if you feel boring, we do have a lot of novel over here. So this one is the 2nd bathroom, come with the hot water. Third room, 2 single bed and KLCC view over here, fan and aircon. Second room occupied 3 person, 1, 2 and pull out bed. The awesome view. Every room have 1 KLCC and 1 KL Towers. So going to the main room, room number 1 is master room. AC, fan, 1 queen and 1 single bed with the dressing mirror and same. The awesome view here, KLCC and KL Tower. Both see very clear. It's very beautiful when it's come to the night time. The bathroom is attached in the master room. Okay, so overview. The house can occupy for 13 person to 15 person. It's a 5 bedroom unit. From Alvin Kun Homestay 99. Thank you.